going on, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, man, bringing you another one, man. So I clicked on this camera a little bit earlier than normal. I was waiting for you to come. I was waiting to go home, but I decided to go ahead and click on this camera, man, because you guys see these people over here, man. I see them sitting on the corner saying that, you know, they were hungry and everything else. Well, he had a sign saying, you know, food or whatever, but and you know, obviously money and things like that. But I went ahead and asked him, man. I asked him if he ate today. He said no. So I was like, all right, man, I'm gonna go get you something to eat, man. What do you want? So I'm about to pull into this Burger King right now. I don't eat Burger King. we don't eat any fast food other than Chick-fil-A. But I'm here at the Burger King right now, man, because you say, yeah, that's cool, we get a burger or whatever. And and the only reason why I'm putting this on camera, man, is because I wanted to show you guys, or at least tell you guys, man, when you guys see people that's less fortunate, you don't necessarily have to give them money. To be honest, I never give like homeless people or anything like that. I never give them money, but I always ask them if they're hungry. If they're hungry, I'll feed you. You know what I'm saying? 100% all day. I'll give you something to eat or whatever the case. But if you're just asking for money, I'm not gonna do that, because I don't know what you're gonna put that money towards, right? I don't want to be. I don't want to. What's the word? I don't want to enable you. That's the word I'm looking for. I don't want to enable you into that. So again, man. So if you guys see people less fortunate, man, don't feel like you always just have to give them money. Cause I know a lot of people are just like, man, I don't want to give you no money. But at the end of the day, man, find out they ate. You know what I'm saying? It's not just all about money. Oh man, let me make sure I don't hit my wheels on these curbs, because you know I gotta raffle these off. So I want to make sure they're perfect for when they go. But anyway, man, so yeah, so don't always feel like you just gotta give somebody money, man. It's all about you know, making sure that they're good for another day. You know, and like I said, giving them money just to go out there and you know how it is, man. Everybody thinks, you know, homeless people, man, they're just gonna go buy liquor, they're gonna go buy drugs, they're gonna go buy whatever the case, man, cigarettes, things like that. And yeah, I get that and understand that, and we never know what people do with that money. At the end of the day, it is, you know, it's coming from your heart. So at the end of the day, you know, you did your part, yes, true. But like I said, what I do is I never give them money, but I always ask them if they ate, bro. And I've been doing this since I was young, man. My wife can attest to this, man. I've been doing that since I was 18, 19, 20 years old, man. So at the end of the day, which was a long time ago, but at the end of the day, man, like I said, you know, I always tell them, man, bro, I'm not gonna give you no money, bro, but I'll feed you. If you want to eat, I got you, because I know I'm about to go home and I'm about to eat. My kids are gonna eat, and if you need to eat too, bro, I got you, man. So that way, hopefully it gives you hope for another day, man. So just remember that, man. Like I said, it's not. And when you see people less fortunate, man, make sure you guys take the time out and do what you got to do, man. And make sure you give them a little bit of hope that there's still, you know, there's still a chance and there's still positivity, and you know, there's still hope, man. You know, everything is not bad, man. You can always make the best out of any situation. Like I said, I think these guys are homeless, but they got a van, man. So at the end of the day, if it rains or whatever, man, they got shelter. So anyway, man, let me go and order some stuff, and then I'll get back with y'all in a second.
Thank you for choosing your Burger King. How can I help you?
How you doing? Can I get let me see. How much are your like regular cheeseburgers?
Say that again?
How much are like your regular cheeseburgers?
A regular cheeseburger is $1.
$1? Okay, let me get 10 of those.
10 regular cheeseburgers, anything
yes.
else?
And do you guys have iced tea?
Yes, we do.
Okay, can I take 2 large iced teas, please?
2 large iced teas, anything else?
And just a little bit of ice in those, please.
You want sweet or unsweet for this?
On sweet, actually.
All sweet?
And just a little bit of ice in those, please.
Okay. Anything else, sir?
That'll be it.
Yes.
Appreciate it, boss.
Man, no problem, man. Here you go. Here goes 1.
Appreciate it. Oh, no, yeah.
How you doing?
Thank you so much.
Here goes 2. You got a bunch of cheeseburgers in there, man.
Cheeseburgers.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
You good?
Awesome, man.
Good
You're
with that?
awesome. Bless your heart, my friend.
Straws?
Yeah.
All right, man. God bless, man.
Yeah, God bless you
So there you go, man. So like I said, that little bit of act of kindness goes a long way, man. Like I said, we take it for granted, man. People that, I mean, even people that live check to check, you know, you take it for granted because, you know, 9 times out of 10, you can go get something to eat, or you have something to eat at the house, even if it's just, you know, anything, man. Or you could go to your house or to your apartment and get, you know, drink water, even if it's not the faucet, but at least you could do something. You know, these people, man, that are living out, you know, either homeless or living out their cars or their vans or whatever. You know, you just never know, man. And do I know if he actually has a place back home? I don't know, man. But at the end of the day, that's not for me to judge. You know what I'm saying? If he's out there bamboozling, I mean, not just him, but anybody, man. If they're out there playing that role and bamboozling people, then hey, you know what I'm saying, he's gonna have to, or they're gonna have to deal with that, you know, when they go upstairs and deal with the man, and they're gonna have to answer for that, you know what I'm saying. But at the end of the day, like I said, that's not for me to judge, man. I know if somebody's sitting out there and I got the chance to help them and break bread with them, then that's what I want to do, man. So like I said, I've been doing that for a long time. It's not just for the camera, but I decided to put it on camera this time so that I could go ahead and, because I know a lot of people, I get a lot of DMs and stuff like that, man, say that, you know, I inspire them and things like that, man. So if that's the case, man, I want to take that and hopefully this will inspire you guys to go out there. And like I said, if you guys see anybody, man, that's struggling, anybody that's on the side of the road or whatever, like I said, for me personally, I'm not saying to give them money, but ask them, hey, man, are you hungry? If you're hungry, man, I got you. Because again, we take it for granted that we could go out there and go get something to eat and not even think about it. But meanwhile, a lot of people haven't ate for 2 or 3 days, man. You know what that is? Imagine if you haven't ate for 2 or 3 days, man. Come on. Like, you're starving, right? So anyway, again, you guys, man, like I said, just do that. I'm not telling you guys to go do that, but just take that in consideration, man. Like I said, you never know how you can help somebody out, or how you might brighten up their day. And at the end of the day, like I said, I mean, I've said, man, I could go back on a Facebook post that I posted like 4 or 5 years ago, man.
From T-Fat Auto Spa, TJ.
My dude TJ texted me. Anyway, man, I could go back to like 3 or 4 years ago, man. 5 years ago, I posted something about, you know, everybody always says that, you know, they help this and help that, or I forgot exactly what I posted. But at the end of the day, you know, everybody's tight with their money. You know what I'm saying? If you got $20, why you can't split that $20 and break bread with somebody? You know what I'm saying? If you're fortunate to have 20, then give 5 to somebody, as far as making sure they eat, right? If you got 50, give 5, 10 to somebody, man, to make sure they can eat. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. So like I said, anyway, man, just a little bit of things, man, that I had on my mind. Like I said, and I seen them right there. And like I said, and I did it. Actually, I did it before. I wasn't even thinking about the camera. I just went ahead and asked the man. I was like, hey, man, you hungry? Because, you know, he had the little sign or whatever. I said, hey, are you hungry, man? Did you eat today? He's like, no, man, no. I said, I got you, man. What do you want? And then as I was pulling around, I was like, oh, you know what? Let me go ahead and put this on the camera, man. So it was just out of instinct that I did it. And I asked him if he was hungry or not. But anyway, man, just wanted to put that out there, man. On that note, man, let's go and switch gears, man. My dude TJ just hit me up, so hopefully that means he's coming to the crib, because he has a little bit of work to do, man. So actually, let me see real quick. Yep, he asked me when I was gonna be home, man. So I'm gonna be home in 1 minute. So there you go, man. So TJ's coming through, man, and you know, they're gonna do a little bit of work, man. So we're obviously gonna put that on film, man. I'll see you all when we get home. Who that is, man? Who's that? You got the camera rolling too. You got camera on camera. Got my dudes, man. T-Fast, my dude D over there. Y'all know TJ, man. What's good, man?
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? Chilling, man. Chilling.
Like the haircut, man.
Hey, yeah, just got a little edge, you know. Just trying to keep it clean, you know.
With your barber, huh?
Yeah, man. So it's just the parts on the bottom, man. I didn't even show them on camera yet.
Oh.
The finished process. Look at that. Ooh, carbon fiber. All over.
God.
What's that? Yeah, the parts? Yeah, yeah. But you guys will see it in a minute, though. You guys will see it when it's all said and done. Yo, my dude's over here. TJ, my dude over here. You see this little? It was scared of this little wasp right here. Y'all see that? I was like, come on, man. I was like, come on, man. Y'all scared of the wasp? I was like, nah, man. So I killed it, right? Well, actually, I hit it with my little towel thing, and then D came and like squished it and like smeared it all over my garage. It was like, hey, man, his dude's about to come. And it was like, his people's about to come get us, man. They know exactly. Rest in peace. They're gonna carry him out, carry him away. Like who's that? Boys in the Hood. You gonna ride? Oh man, that's funny. So what they're doing right now is, man, so they're gonna do the. Obviously, I know if you guys been watching my videos, you guys know that the car is ceramic coated already, but they're gonna ceramic coat the carbon fiber pieces as well, man. So they're gonna do the side skirts, the front bump, the front splitter, and then they also gonna do the rear diffuser, man. So yeah, man, that's what we got going on right now. Make sure everything is coated. And while these guys are over here doing their work, man, I went to the front to go check my stuff. And look what came into the mail. Oh snap, what is that? About to open these up and see what it is. What you smiling about over there, man? I see you. I see you. Huh? Yeah, baby. It's like Christmas. Yeah, right, exactly. God, look at that thing, man. Put that down, get the other one. Ooh, look at that. Gee. Whew. Yeah, you can see yourself in there. Look at that.
Oh my goodness, that's nice.
That's
That's pretty. We don't throw a coat on that.
Oh yeah, they said they're gonna ceramic coat these, which will actually help a lot. You know what? And when you coat it, coat the inside of it too.
Absolutely.
Because what's gonna happen is because I don't got no cats, a lot of that black, comes straight from the motor, so it gets black. So with that coat, it'll be easier to clean all that black stuff out of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, look at that thing. You see, look at the difference in this thing, in the pipe. Look at the difference.
A little bit further too, huh?
Look at that.
Stick out more.
No, it's gonna go in. It's gonna clip on, so I could put it. I could put it like right, so maybe so you can see the name, maybe, or I could stick it all the way back so it could be flush. Yeah, man. I think it'll look good.
I'm about to throw a coat on this one.
That's why I call it a Beauty and the Beast, man. All right, man. So my dudes just finished, man. Christine over there looking good. Walking away, man. They're over here getting ready to go. Again, make sure y'all hit them up, man. T-Fats Auto Spa, man. There you go. Look at that. There go the number. There go the Instagram. All that good stuff, man. Facebook, Twitter, all that, man. T-Fats Auto Spa, man. Make sure y'all go check them out. They do everything. I do, TJ. Always a pleasure.
Always. Thank you, sir.
Always a pleasure. D, always a pleasure, bro.
See you next time.
We'll see y'all again. Matter of fact, y'all gonna be seeing them tomorrow.
Right on.
There you go, man. So, all right, man. Y'all be safe, man. Drive safe.
Sure, we'll do. Thank you, Cat.
Yep. There y'all go, man. So that's it, man. That's it for this video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Christine's getting little by little, man. She's getting there, man. We adding little pieces here and there. Those tips are gonna be nasty when I put them on there. Just everything, man. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. Again, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think of the kit. I didn't actually give you guys a full walk around because the car's kind of dirty. We're gonna wash it up tomorrow before we go to Ace Cafe Orlando. Actually, by the time you see this, actually when you see this, it'll be already on Saturday. So I'll be getting the car washed pretty much as we speak, as you guys are seeing this video, and then and I'll be filming, man. So I'll be doing a whole walk around and everything else, doing some rolling shots, and all the other good stuff, man. You guys know how to do. Anyway, man, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. I greatly appreciate everybody who's been supporting and rocking with me thus far, man. Trust me, it's not going unnoticed, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. Anyway, hope y'all have a good one, man. Hope y'all have a good day, man. Don't forget about the beginning of this video, man, as far as what I talked about, man. Think about that. Put that in your little toolbox of stuff to do, man, when you guys see people out there, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're blessed enough, make sure you guys pay that forward, man, and bless other people along the way, man. When that story time comes, you guys see exactly what I'm talking about as well, man, when it comes to that. Anyway, man, other than that, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see y'all on the next one, man. Later.